Hi, this is me, Jay, and today we're gonna have an unboxing of GoPro Hero 7 Black. And I'm gonna tell a bit why I choose this, because before I have had Xiaomi UE4K camera and it's not waterproof. And I'm gonna making these fishing videos, fly fishing videos, all kind of videos, and it's gonna be a bit wet action, so it has been quite hard to use the protective case in the UE camera because the sound quality is so bad. But let's see what this box contains. So yeah, seriously, the postman Pat was so generous, and I'm gonna have a birthday soon upcoming, so I got this as a birthday present. So here it is. And let's see, how does this box even opens? Peel here, turn here. Ay, 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 ay. Pull here, I guess. So here it goes, first time, and there. So the camera is here. Let's see what we have. Plus damage replacement, couple GoPro stickers, important what? Safety instructions so you accidentally don't kill yourself with the camera. And alright, battery. Alright, some cables, and this is actually USB-C cable. So actually, now when I was checking the camera, there was this quick connection thingy, tape thingies, what you can actually like tape wherever you want. Forehead, car, aquarium, rod, anywhere. And there is some sort of small protective case in this one as well. So let's open it and let's try to take the camera gently out, if it comes. There. So let's peel this off now, and let's see if there is any way how can I get it nicely off. Protective film, and here it goes. Brand new. So maybe I should put the battery actually inside, and let's see what happens. There. Beep beep. All right. Hero 7 Black. And we are speaking English this time. Sure. Legal stuff. Agree. GPS off. GoPro app. Yeah, in process. So I need to also install that one. Alright, so now it says find my camera. Sure. Approved. And yeah, turn on. Searching for the camera. Let's see. Alright, so let's connect and yay! And of course I'm gonna give my GoPro name. It's called Jaska Kalassa. There we go. Save new name. Alright, there is update available. So update camera. And what do they offer for us? Live streaming, hyper smooth, video stabilization, usability improvements and karma. Okay, whatever, let's do it. So yeah, it was so goddamn easy to connect this one, so actually now I need to put a power bank here so I could actually connect my phone and the camera together. So let's see what happens now. So now I finally got this working. I tried it, and if you are not the pro, you know, updating stuff. I have an Android phone, OnePlus 5, and then now this new GoPro, and it wasn't really easy to actually get it updating. It took me, I don't know, half hour, one beer, and I needed to take this battery charger even with me. So because the GoPro was saying like, not enough juice, can't update. And then the next one was no SD card. Please insert SD card. Well, thank you. Luckily I had one, so all good. So now at the moment I'm shooting this video with the UI 4K action camera. There's nothing wrong with the picture quality with the video, but the sound quality with the protective casing is absolutely horrible. When you have the casing and when you're just like accidentally doing like this with your hand, and then you're hearing like horrible noises, and I have found out when it's really quiet, the casing is on and it starts making like some kind of small sound, like a small milking machine or something in the video. And it's really extremely annoying when you're trying to edit it or do something or improve it somehow. So that's why I got the GoPro. It's waterproof, and this GoPro holding case, it has nice holes for the microphone, so I will hope there's a really good audio quality, or at least decent, what you can think about these cameras. And also the stabilization software now in this new Hero 7 Black. But of course I haven't seen it yet, I haven't tried it yet, but oh boy, I will do some test footage quite soon when I'm actually doing some fishing, and I hope it will be also decent. So this one was just the unboxing and small talk why I choose this camera, what I'm hoping from the camera, and I will record now many other videos with this camera, and you will of course see like what kind of quality it is, what kind of hyperlapse and what kind of other options we have there in the camera. I will make another video from those. And if you liked the video, please comment. If I missed something, please comment. If you didn't like this video, please comment, and etc.